I'm Lisa from Everything Nice for Dolls. I sew and make doll clothes for 18-inch dolls, such as American Girl dolls. I also make other sizes, such as the 14-inch Willy Wishers, and they also fit the glitter girls that you can buy at Target or Amazon. And I also make 15-inch doll clothes for the bitty babies. Today, I am going to show you a room tour of a portable room that I made back a few months ago. The portable room is something that I have made one of those before. Now, let me tell you this. First of all, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe. The portable room, I've done a video before on a portable room that I made. It was a room that I made that was a laundry room. Now, I will link that card right up there so that you can watch that video. This one, I made it into a doll beauty salon. So in just a little bit, I'm going to show you how it looks. I will turn the camera around and I will show you what it looks like, all set up. Well, first of all, I'll show you how I made it, and then I'll show you some of the things that I set up in there. Okay, so now I got the idea for the room from greenandgorgeous.net. They have on their website, they tell how to make this portable room for your dolls. Now, what is great about this room is that it is not only portable, but it will slide. You can fold it up and it saves lots of space, because I do have a dollhouse that I have, but of course it is it's big. It really is. Now, the one I have, I made it out of shelving units, 2 shelving units that I got from a hardware store. It got it from Lowe's. Anyway, I can tell you. But anyway, so it is pretty big, you know, and it takes up a lot of space, and you know, so if you don't have a lot of room to be able to have a room for your dolls, then the portable room is a great thing to do, because it does save a lot of space. Anyway, so yes, the portable room is a big space saver. Well, and you can buy rooms like that online that are portable, but they're kind of pricey, really. And so if you can make this, if you're the crafty kind that likes to do things, you can make this on your own, and it will not cost you that much really to make. The materials that you will need to have is some craft foam, craft core foam that like you do school projects with. And you can find that at Walmart, and it is by Elmer. Actually, it's Elmer's glue. It's made by the Elmer's glue company. You know, it's Elmer's, but anyway, but it is you can get them in white and black, I think, but anyway, I buy the white ones, you know, and I'm not exactly sure how much they cost, but they're not that much, you know, less than I don't know, $5 or so. But anyway, but I get the 46 by 38 for the display board is what I get. You will also need to have a utility knife, like an X-Acto knife or something like that. Another thing you will need to have is you will need to have some paint, spray paint, which, you know, runs you a couple of dollars at Walmart, something like that. Also, you will need probably some contact paper, okay? So, and so, you know, you can make this portable room for, I would say, probably less than $10, you know? So that's a big savings when you're coming to American Girl doll stuff, because it can get pretty pricey. Okay, so I am going to show you in just a minute. So let me turn this phone around and I will show you what I did, how I did it. Okay, all right. And now we're back. As you can see, I've got the two pieces set up and put together. This portable room comes in two pieces. You've got the walls and you've got the floor. Now the floor is just in one piece, and I covered it with some parquet looking contact paper. Okay, and so how I did the walls is that I taped it, measured off 2 inches up apart the spaces that I did not want to be painted. I measured them off 2 inches apart with some contact paper. I'm sorry, with some painter's tape, and I taped those all the way down. And then after I had it all taped, I spray painted it with a gold metallic spray paint. And then I let it dry. And after it dried, I made up some, found some images on Google, some that look like something that you would see in a salon. I made up those and printed them off, and then I mounted them on some scrapbook paper. And then I just took some tape, like packing tape, and then I put over that so it would be kind of like it would laminate it. Okay, so then this comes in 2 pieces. You got your wall pieces and you got your floor, and it's very easy to just take it and fold it up. I could just fold it just like this. See? I fold it just like this and put it, and then you can take it and put it under a bed or something. And then when you want to set it up, it's very easy just to take it and open it up and then set it up just like so. Like that. Okay, in just a little bit, I'm going to show you how it looks with the furniture in it. Okay, so I'll be right back. Okay, I wanted to show you what I have in this doll room. Now, these pieces I got from American Girl. These are the Truly Me. This one is the Truly Me color change highlight set. It comes with a little flat iron, some pieces of hair pieces that you can use. They will change in cold, I think cold water or something like that. It has a bowl that has a little brush. It had some clips and a comb and a little pair of scissors and a little apron that you can put around the doll. Okay, the other one that I have also, I also have the Hairstyle Essential set. This one has a little cape that you can put around the dolls. And it has a brush and a little spray bottle and some perm rods. This is really cute. And also a little booklet. Oh, it has some little bobby pins too. And it has a little booklet that shows you how to do some hairstyles. Okay. Also, I also got this, and I love this. This is the Truly Me Truly Blue Hairstyling Caddy. Okay, and this comes with a lot of things. It has little clippies for their hair. It has a mirror that folds down. It has lots of little storage for all those little things, the little clips, and has little hair bands, hair ties. Has a little blow dryer that it's really cute. It really works. I mean, it doesn't work, but I mean, it makes sounds, And it has drawers for all those little things that you can store in there. Okay, so I'm going to open all these up in just a second and set them up, and you can see how it works as for the doll room. All right, and now I'm back again. So now you can see how I have it set up. This is a chair actually that came from Target. It is an Our Generation salon chair. It also came with some things with it. It came with a cute little, no, that's an American Girl. I'm sorry. That's what came with this Caddy right here. That's one of the things. Also, I really like this little hair dryer. I'll turn it on for you if I can in just a minute. Hold on. Let's see. Well, it did work. It did work before. Maybe the batteries are run down. May need to check on the batteries. Yeah, it used to run, but I don't know. It could be that maybe the batteries have gone down. Here's one that is from Our Generation. Now, see how it, yeah, see. But this one, I'm going to have to check on that. That's probably batteries that need to be replaced. But anyway, so it's cute anyway. So I'm going to check on those batteries. And then there's clips that came with this Caddy. Okay. And there's also little scissors, they don't really cut. But anyway, okay. So there's lots of stuff. These are some curling papers that you can use with these little perm rods. Are they cute? Yeah. And then, it has some little storage area right in here. And some little drawers there that has some more clips and some bobby pins. Some of those things came with this chair. Okay. All right. And then there's some more storage for different stuff. Okay. All right. And this actually goes, it goes up and down too. So, and the chair there, right there, the Adirondack chair, I just put it there because I did not really have a spa chair. Now, this little foot spa came from My Life at Walmart. And it just has like some pieces, like some little beads that you can put in there. I've never really done it yet before, but you can put these little growing beads in there. And it also has some cute little cucumbers that you can put on the doll's eyes. Also with a mask to go with it too. But the newer ones that you get now also have a little spa chair with the foot spa, which I'd like to get that someday at Walmart. They have that at Walmart. Anyway, I think, I really think that the salon room turned out really kind of cute. So I think maybe next time I would probably like to make maybe a schoolroom. I don't know really, you know, with a little desk and a little student chair and stuff like that. So anyway, what I would like to know from you is I would like to know if you were to make a room like this, what kind of room would you make? So let me know in the comments what kind of room that you would like to make. All right, so I guess I'm going to go now, and so just be looking out for more videos. Okay, bye-bye.